All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to talk about something that's honestly a game changer for businesses: AI image analysis. It's all about how you can turn simple pictures into a serious, powerful advantage. We'll explore how companies are starting to see their own data in a completely new light.
So let me ask you something. Think about all the images your company deals with every single day. What if I told you that inside all those pictures, there's a gold mine of data just sitting there, waiting for you to find it? And that brings us to what we call the unseen opportunity. It's funny, so many businesses are practically drowning in visual content, but they just see pictures. They don't see the data. It's exactly like having a giant treasure chest right in front of you, but you don't have the key. And I'm talking about everything. The product photos you take for your website, all those posts on social media, even the boring stuff like scanned documents and invoices. When you add it all up, the amount of visual data is, well, it's just staggering.
But here's the catch. Without the right tools to make sense of it all, that flood of images, it's just noise. A huge missed opportunity. You're leaving critical insights about your own products, your customers, and your whole operation on the table.
So, okay, how do we cut through all that noise and find the good stuff, the signal? Well, it's about giving your business a brand new, incredibly powerful sense: sight.
So, what is AI image analysis, really? Well, at its core, it's an AI that does more than just see a picture. It actually understands it. It can look at an image and instantly break it down into structured data you can actually use. And the best part? It happens in a flash with zero manual work.
And what this site can do is, honestly, it's pretty incredible. It's not just about identifying a car or a tree. We're talking about pinpointing specific products, recognizing faces, spotting company logos from a mile away. It can literally read text and numbers right out of a picture. It can even pick up on things like emotions and patterns across thousands, even millions of images.
Okay, so that's the cool techie part. But what does it actually do? How do we go from just pixels on a screen to something that actually helps a business? Let's dive into some real-world examples. Just think about it. Imagine your e-commerce store automatically tagging every single product with detailed, accurate descriptions. Or what about monitoring social media and getting an alert every single time your logo shows up in someone's photo? You can scan and digitize documents in an instant, or finally organize that huge photo library you've been putting off. The possibilities are just wow.
And when you start putting these pieces together, what you get is nothing short of an efficiency revolution. Seriously, it completely changes the game for how you handle, well, pretty much any workflow that involves images.
I mean, look at this. This slide really tells the whole story. The before is the manual way, right? Hours and hours of tedious tagging, a high chance of mistakes. It's just slow. But the after? That's the AI way. We're talking seconds to process thousands of images. Incredibly high precision. You go from having just a bunch of visual noise to having real, actionable business data at your fingertips. It's a night and day difference. So let's break down the key benefits for your business. First, you're automatically recognizing people, products, text, you name it. You can instantly find patterns or even duplicate images. This makes your entire library of visuals so much easier to search and categorize. And maybe the biggest win? You can combine all this new visual data with the analytics you're already using and unlock insights that are just total game changers. Now, this is a really important point. With any tech this powerful, how it's implemented is everything. Not all AI solutions are built the same. So, what makes a solution not just good, but truly smart? Because let's be honest, not all AI is created equal. There's a huge difference between a simple little tool that just recognizes an object and a truly intelligent system that delivers real value. So, what's the secret sauce? What really makes a solution powerful? Okay, so a truly smart solution, it does more than just recognize things. It actually understands the context of your business. It's adaptable. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing. It has to integrate smoothly with the websites, the apps, the tools you already use. And this is crucial. It has to run privately, securely, and automatically. At the end of the day, you, the user, should be in complete control. When you boil it all down, it really comes to this. The goal is to see deeper, detect faster, and turn all those visuals into actual knowledge. So, I'll leave you with this one question to think about.
Once you give your business this incredible power of sight, what's the very first thing you want it to see?